If your discs are not lifting from the control on the handle, you may need to replace the disc lifter cable. First, lift up the discs and tighten using the hand wheel to hold them in place. To remove the cable from the body of the machine, use a 7mm socket wrench to loosen the metal stopper, then pull it from the lifter cable by hand, or with pliers if the stopper is seized in place. Now slide the plastic protector off the lifter cable and use a 10mm spanner to grip the bolt attached to the cable and a second 10mm spanner to undo the nut, fixing it to the bracket. Once undone, keep the nut in a safe place and begin feeding the cable out. Finally, to remove the cable from the handle, slacken off the connection with the included Allen key. Pull out and retain the metal nipple from the handle. Slide out the old cable and discard. To fit a new cable, simply follow all the previously mentioned steps, but in reverse. Slide the end of the cable through the handle and replace the metal nipple, ensuring that the nipple is at the correct orientation to allow the cable to pass through. Now thread the cable back through and along the cable ties to the front of the machine. Once through, slide the nut back into place and tighten with a 10mm spanner, using a second 10mm spanner to hold the cable bolt in place. Slide the black plastic protector back over the cable. Lower the discs back into the down position and hook the lifting cable in place. Finally, add the metal stopper to the end of the lifting cable and hold in place with pliers while tightening using a 7mm socket. Pull on the control handle to check the new cable's functioning correctly.